Hi, welcome to the Dr. Test Prep YouTube channel, and we're studying for our ASVAB AFQT, looking at word knowledge. If you do not have my free 200-page digital book, you need to go to growthmindsetcollaborative.org. The link is in the description. You can use it completely for free. If you're interested in the $49 paid program in which half the money goes and supports nonprofits, including soldiers and veterans, that information is at the end of this video. All right, so I am at a campground still in Texas. The sun is setting, so let's see what we can do before it gets dark out. We are going to be looking at I can identify common root words. So we've already talked about prefixes in the beginning, suffixes at the end. Now we're looking at the roots, and I have a list of roots that AI helped me generate based on hundreds of ASVAB AFQT most frequented words. And we're also going to use the words to help us determine meaning. So if we're going to make flashcards, these are the things that we're making flashcards for: the prefixes, the suffixes, and definitely these roots. So bio, life, biology; struct, build, construction; building, struct; dict, D-I-C-T, dictionary, words we say; port, dictation, also with say; port, like transport, carry; JECT, like throw; scribe, script, write; spect, look, like inspect; form, shape, tract, pull, rupt, break, eruption. Okay. Cred, credible, believe; vis, vid, see; odd, hear; therm, heat; meter or MTR, measurement, oftentimes; log or LOGY is the study of, like biology, study of biology, study of life; graph or gram, write or record; phone is often sound; cycle, CYCL, is often circle; and mob, mote, and move for move. Now, I'm going to tell you the truth. I could not have come up with this without the help of AI helping me go through it, because I am a very well-read person. So I understand most words just by reading them. That doesn't mean I know how to say them. One of the things someone told me years ago is never make fun of someone who mispronounces a word, because they probably learned the word through reading because they didn't hear it. And I read a lot. So these aren't natural to me. So it was interesting going through it. But if you're not a reader and words is an issue for you, I would make flashcards. I'm just saying that would be me. So remember, our first questions start easy and then get harder. So even without seeing the full report, she could predict before something the outcome based on early trends. She could pre-measure, pre-say, pre-build, or pre-move. Well, if we go up to this list that AI helped me generate, we know that DICT is often with the word say. So even she might be able to pre-measure, because we're talking about the predict, say is the best answer. The company had to transport the equipment across several states. So trans and across, we know. Port is carry. So they had to carry across states. All right. The scientists studied biology to better understand living systems. Bio is the root. The LOGY is really the study of. So this is a trick question. We want the root of bio. So that means life. If it said, what does LOGY stand for? Then we would say study. The workers began constructing the bridge early in the morning. Struct. I believe they want us to say build. Let's make sure. I know I read it. Yep, struct, build. So that root is building. Before approving the design, the engine. Oh, remember, these words start easy because we're learning the roots, then they get harder. Okay. Before approving the design, the engineer needed to inspect every detail. So if we go back up here to where that spect is, look. So we needed him to look at every detail. The sound was barely audible from the back of the room. So auto most likely means hearing. Audible is hearing. Like Audible is also where I listen to books. Anyway, the witness was asked to describe what happened during the incident. So we're looking at the scribe. So if we go back up here, that scribe deals with writing. So it could be explaining, but in this case, we want it to be writing. Did they explain what happened during the incident? Yes. But in this context of the root, we're going with scribe. Because this question is root. Again, the ASVAB AFQT will not give you questions like this. They'll give you longer words that you're going to have to come up with synonyms and word knowledge from. But knowing how to break them down is the skill we're practicing. The heavy machine was used to extract materials from deep underground. So tracked, okay, going back up. Let's see, pull is tracked. Too far? To pull up. Okay, I would say extract also can mean remove. If it said what's a synonym to extract, we could do with remove, but it's asking specifically what that root tracked is, and we're going to use that in terms of pulling. The device measures the temperature using a built-in thermometer. Therm, believe we already said, was heat. Let's double check. This is why you make flashcards. Heat is correct. Heat. Thermostat. Thermometer, measurement of heat. They communicated over long distance using a telephone. Phone, phonics, let's see. Phone is sound. Phone is sound. Okay. All right, moving on, making them harder. The scientists rejected the results as fallacious. Rejecting the results as fallacious, noting errors. So which does fallacious mean? Based on careful logic? Probably not. Containing false reasoning? Yes. Difficult to explain? Probably not, because they could read it. It was just wrong. And supported by evidence? Of course not. B is the correct answer. The diplomat attempted to, now this is a good word that I might not know how to pronounce. So we're just going to say the diplomat attempted to A, tensions between the two nations. So the diplomat tried to worsen gradually, ignore completely, or improve to make better. Senator Rubio, it's 2026. He's working really hard to make better relations between nations. His explanation was circumspect, avoiding direct statements about the issue. So we're going around. Circumference is around a circle. So acting with caution, avoiding direct statements. Speaking with emotion, probably not. Showing confusion. Avoiding direct statements, I would say avoiding responsibility would probably be the best answer for circumspect, because he's getting around the issue. It's not that he was cautious. That would be acting with caution. I think avoiding responsibility is probably the best answer. The company's actions were considered benevolent, focusing on community support. So community support, that's a positive thing. If something's benevolent and supports the community, is it self-serving? Probably not. Is it unpredictable? No, you can predict when you're going to help the community. I'm helping you. Without purpose? No. Well-meaning or kind is the best answer. The sudden shift in policy created turmoil within the organization. Turmoil is stability? No. Sudden shift? No. Organized effort? No. Gradual improvement? No. Sudden led to confusion or disorder. The scientist, the sun's really getting me. The scientist, let me scooch more. Okay, well, you can see the light coming across my face. The scientists worked to eradicate the harmful bacteria. Harmful, scientists don't want to keep it, they want to get rid of it. So eradicate would be to completely remove it. The speaker's tone was audacious. Odd being we can hear it, surprising the audience with its boldness. So audacious, careful and reserved? No. Lacking confidence? No. Excessively cautious? No. Bold and daring. Boldness. The plan proved to be ineffective. failing to produce results. If it failed to produce results, it wasn't successful, probably not producing the effort, maybe difficult to measure, but not carefully designed. So the plan was not producing results. Ineffective, was not producing the desired effect because there was already results. So they measured it and it didn't work. Let me see. I have this weird light coming across and I think it is the camera. It is the camera. The sun is finally showing. All right. The historian attempted to reconstruct events from limited records. Reconstruct. So we want to do something again. So build again is probably the best solution. Reconstruct. We're not removing because of records. We're not analyzing deeply because they were limited, and we're not changing directed. We're trying to come up with the right solutions. The manager dismissed the idea as infeasible given the constraints. So not likely to, if he dismissed it, he wouldn't dismiss something successful. He wouldn't dismiss something that was easy to organize. And he wouldn't dismiss something that was worthy of further study. So he dismissed it because it was not possible to be carried out. All right. So that is the end of roots. In our next video, I guess we're talking about word families. And I'm going to maybe turn my camera around. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you. The full course with another 700 questions and video answers is available at heydrtestprep.com for only $49 to get ready for the AFQT. Half of all proceeds support nonprofit initiatives with at least $10 of your purchase supporting troops and veterans. All right, bye guys. We got this.